Welcome! The Eldorado SELPAs have created this quick video tutorial to address commonly asked questions. Following the tutorial, we encourage you to explore our professional learning catalog by scanning the QR code at the bottom of the screen. Let's get started.
From the navigation bar, select the Students tab. Click on the student record icon. Select the CalPAD student page from the drop-down box. Enter the date of initial referral. Enter the person initiating referral. These two fields should be updated anytime an assessment plan is created for an initial assessment. Once parent consent for assessment is received, enter the parent consent date. Select Special Education Meeting Type 10, Part B Initial Evaluation. Change Education Plan Type to 300, pending initial evaluation. Click Save. Click the Create Pending Transaction hyperlink.
Thank you for learning with us. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. On behalf of the Eldorado SELPAs, thank you for everything you do to improve the outcomes of students with disabilities.